Intuitive people, at least the ones I know, we love solitude. We need to recover energy, particularly if you start out being an introvert or tend to be. Although a lot of people, when they find out I'm basically shy and an introvert, they laugh, but it's true. I would rather sit home and read a book in a corner somewhere or binge on a murder mystery movie than go to a party. And so at least I can speak for myself. I love my solitude. It also helps me recover from serious issues I've worked on for others. And also I need to go inside and get to know me a little bit better every time. Do you enjoy time alone, or does it make you uncomfortable? Then it's time to do something about it for yourself, because underneath, in the soul and deep within the vault of hidden stuff inside us, we all have beauty. We all have incredible discoveries of good, not terrible. And in my book, Soul Detective, How to Solve the Inner Mystery of You, I put my truths there. All the things I've been through and what I did about them to go deeper, not run away, not hide. So if you hide, think about it. A little difference can go a long way in you discovering how wonderful you really are.